Okay, this may be my first time amateur video on YouTube, but look at this, look at this. This is outrageous. Everyone's talking about the nerf reductions, the gold, what the fuck ever, man. Like, look at this. Okay, if I was gonna go for 15 evolved stone, right? Okay, sure, that's a huge cost. But look at this, 450 attack power for 6, 20 plus critical rate, 50 critical damage for 6, 300 6, 10 plus 626. Okay, what's the difference? Attack power? None. The mats are the same. Shit, I'm gonna. The mats are the same. Wait, let me see. That's exactly the same. It's probably just a slight difference. No, exactly the same. Then if you go out here, stage 1, stage 2, can you see it's the same numbers? Stage 3, stage 4, stage 5. They're all exactly the same fucking numbers. Wait, sorry, scratch that. I'll get. Yeah. Well, I'm not actually monetized anyways, but. Look at that. 5 stages for the same exact materials. No changes whatsoever. They're expecting us. This is a huge scam. A huge goddamn scam, you hear me? Same materials that you have to use and you have to buy up. But this is a huge goddamn scam. No changes whatsoever. Can you tell me what changes that? Same numbers. I must be going blind here because that's showing exactly the same numbers. Holy shit, they're expecting us to... My god. What on earth is that?